What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna walk through a new property that I'm looking at, deciding on a couple of different options, but this may be the first house that I buy for myself and actually flip. Let's go. So the seller of this one is actually an investor, and he gave me the code and is letting me walk through to see if this might be a property I'm interested in. Let's do it. So hold here. All right. I don't know how much you guys can see, and I know you can't smell, but it doesn't smell good. Hello. It sounds the electrical is on. So this is probably, I think, the kitchen. You want to take a look through there in that room. I think. We'll see. He said one of the units has the kitchen already torn out and another unit has the bathroom already torn out. So let's see what we got. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom duplex on each side. Our favorite, carpet in the bathroom. Whew, not too much fun in there. You can go ahead in there, I'll wait. There's the 1-bedroom and closet over here. Okay. All right. Let's go to the other unit. All right, if you guys are new here, my name's Lili. This channel is where I've been documenting my real estate investing journey and bringing you guys along with me. The reason I'm interested in keeping this house is it's actually down the street from the duplex that I already own, and both of those properties are actually very close to where Black Wall Street once stood, and so I would love to, own another property in this area. And this one, as you can see, it's not in the greatest condition, but I may purchase this one as my next house hack, which means I'll buy it using an FHA loan, live in one side and rent out the other side. Specifically, because it's not in the greatest condition, I can get it using a 203K loan, which is a different type of FHA loan that basically gives you the funds to purchase the property as well as the funds to renovate the property all in one. So we'll talk more about that later. Let's check out the second unit. That door's barred. It says use side door. Let's go around and see what's going on. Let's do it. Or maybe not. Guess not. We might not be able to get into that side. Let's walk around the back and see what's going on there. Cameraman, you want to go down there? We didn't get the chance to get into the second unit, but we have a good idea of, just the condition of the property based on that first unit. Let's head back to my place and we'll talk more about that 203K loan and how you might use it if you want to start house hacking. Let's go. So what do you guys think of that property? Let me know in the comments, and let's talk a little bit more about this specific type of home loan. If you're familiar with house hacking, it's the concept of buying a property for yourself to live in as well as rent out the extra space, whether you have a single family house where you're gonna live in one of the bedrooms and rent out the other bedrooms, or you can also do something like buying a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex, live in one of the kind of apartment units and rent out the other ones. This can help help you, one, lower your living expenses because the rent that you're getting will help you pay down your mortgage, and it also helps you to get your first investment property for much less than you would if you weren't living there. And this is the part where the FHA loan comes in. This is a loan that is meant for people who are buying a house for themselves to live in. And because of this, it means that you have to put down much less in terms of a down payment in order to qualify to buy the property than you would if you were just buying that property as an investment and you weren't planning to live there. In the case where you're planning on living in the property, you can usually put down just 3.5%, whereas if you're buying it as an investment, you would need to put down sometimes 20-25%, and that makes a huge difference. So house hacking using an FHA loan is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to get started investing in real estate. It's what I did to buy my first duplex near Black Wall Street, and you can check out this video right here if you want to learn more about that. But for this property that you guys just saw, I can't use a normal FHA loan. The property is in really bad condition. I mean, there's not a kitchen in one unit, there's not a bathroom in the other, and I mean, you guys saw it. In order for it to get up to livable condition, it's going to need to be renovated. In most cases, you need cash or hard money or a construction loan in order to renovate a property like this. This is why I've chosen, after doing my first house hack, to start wholesaling real estate, where I find properties just like this that are in distressed condition. I get them under contract, but rather than buying them myself because I don't have all the cash needed or I don't want to take out a hard money loan, I pass them off to another investor and I collect a fee for being the middleman. But in this case, I don't really want to wholesale this property. Instead, I want to use something called the FHA 203K loan, which actually allows me to buy the property and get the renovation funds that I need to fix it up, all for 3.5% down. So to give you guys a numbers example, this particular property is for sale for $120,000. And let's just say that it needs $80,000 of work, so we're working with round numbers. In this case, I would need $120,000 to purchase it, $80,000 to renovate it. If I was buying this cash, I would need $200,000, and I don't got $200,000, right? But if I wanted to get a loan on this property, I would have to get a construction loan or a hard money loan, and those are usually going to require me to have 20% down. And 20% of $200,000 is $40,000, which is still a hefty sum of cash to be putting into a property. But with the FHA 203K loan, rather than having to put 20% down, I could take that entire $200,000 that's needed to purchase the property and renovate it and pay 3.5% on that entire amount, which in this case would be just $7,000. It seems like it might be the perfect time for, rather than wholesaling this property to another investor, but to actually buy it myself, get an FHA 203K loan, use that $80,000 that I get to rehab the property, live in it for just 1 year, and then I can sell it or move to my next house hack and keep this one as a rental. So you guys are seeing how my plan to build up my portfolio and create more, safe, comfortable, affordable housing in my area is kind of playing out in real time. Let me know what you guys think of the property. Let me know if you've considered getting a property with the FHA 203K loan and renovating it yourself. I'd love to connect with you guys in the comments. I post videos 3 times a week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.